What's up friends? In this video, I am going to share my experience with the best Canon camera of 2023, which are the best ones. I've done a lot of research, and put together a list of the best Canon camera 2023 from trusted brands to help you decide. After extensive investigation, I discovered this stuff is profitable. People like you, if you are interested to know more about the price and other information, then without further ado, don't forget to check the description below. Let's watch the video. Number 1. The Canon EOS R5 is a high-end full-frame mirrorless camera designed for professional photographers and videographers. It boasts a number of advanced features and capabilities, including 45-megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor. The camera's high-resolution sensor provides incredibly detailed images with minimal noise and excellent dynamic range. 8K video recording. The EOS R5 is capable of recording 8K video at up to 30 frames per second, providing incredibly smooth, detailed footage. Digic X image processor. The camera's advanced image processor helps to produce images and videos with excellent color, contrast, and detail. Mechanical shutter with up to 12 fps. The EOS R5's fast mechanical shutter can capture up to 12 frames per second, making it ideal for capturing fast-moving subjects. Body only. The camera is sold as body only, meaning that lenses must be purchased separately. This provides users with more flexibility in choosing the lenses that best meet their needs. Overall, the Canon EOS R5 is a powerful and versatile camera that offers advanced features and capabilities for professional photographers and videographers. Number 2. The Canon EOS M50 Mark II is a mirrorless digital camera that is designed to deliver high-quality images and video. It features a 24.1-megapixel APS-C-sized CMOS sensor and a powerful Digic 8 image processor that provides fast and accurate autofocus and improved low-light performance. The camera also features a high-resolution OLED electronic viewfinder and a vari-angle touchscreen display that allows for easy and intuitive shooting. The included f/15 to 45mm f/3.5-6.3 ISSTM lens is a standard zoom lens specifically designed for the Canon EOS M series of mirrorless cameras. This lens provides a versatile zoom range, making it ideal for a wide range of shooting situations. The lens also features image stabilization, which helps reduce camera shake and allows for sharper images in low light conditions. The Canon EOS M50 Mark II also supports 4K UHD video recording and has built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, making it easy to share your photos and videos with your friends and family. The camera has a compact and lightweight design that makes it ideal for travel and on-the-go shooting. In conclusion, the Canon EOS M50 Mark II Plus f/15 to 45mm f/3.5-6.3 ISSTM kit is a high-performing and versatile camera system that is well suited for a wide range of photography, including travel, family, and street photography. Number 3. The Canon EOS R6 is a full-frame mirrorless camera that offers professional-level imaging capabilities in a compact, portable form factor. It features a full-frame CMOS sensor and a powerful Digic X image processor that work together to deliver sharp, detailed images and smooth video footage with excellent low-light performance. The camera can shoot at up to 12 fps with its mechanical shutter, making it ideal for capturing fast-moving action. It also features dual UHS-2 SD memory card slots for ample storage space and fast transfer speeds. In terms of handling and control, the Canon EOS R6 features a high-resolution electronic viewfinder for clear and precise image composition, as well as a touch-sensitive rear LCD display for easy navigation and control. It also offers advanced features such as fast autofocus and 5-axis image stabilization for steady shots. Whether you're a professional photographer or videographer, or simply someone looking for a high-quality camera for personal use, the Canon EOS R6 is an excellent choice for capturing stunning images and smooth, cinematic video footage. Number 4. The Canon EOS 90D is a high-performance digital single-lens reflex, DSLR, camera that is designed for professional photographers and videographers. It features a range of advanced features and capabilities that make it a versatile and powerful tool for capturing stunning images and videos. Some key features of the Canon EOS 90D include: built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, allows you to easily transfer images and videos to your mobile devices or share them online. Digicate image processor, provides fast and accurate autofocus, high-speed continuous shooting, and excellent image quality, even in low-light conditions. 4K video recording, enables you to capture high-quality video footage with exceptional detail and clarity. Dual-pixel CMOS autofocus system, provides fast and smooth autofocus while recording video. 3.0-inch vari-angle touch LCD screen, makes it easy to shoot from different angles and preview your shots. 45-point all-cross type autofocus system, ensures that your subjects stay in focus, even when they are moving rapidly. 32.5 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor, provides excellent image quality and detail, and helps to reduce noise in low-light conditions. Overall, the Canon EOS 90D is a highly capable and versatile camera that is well suited for professional photographers and videographers who are looking for a reliable and powerful tool for capturing stunning images and videos. Number 5. The Canon EOS R3 is a rumored high-end full-frame mirrorless camera that has not yet been officially announced by Canon. As of my knowledge cutoff, no specifications or details about the camera have been officially confirmed, so I can only provide information based on rumors and speculation. If you like the video, then please like, comment, and share it with your friends, so that they can also benefit from it. Finally, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the first notification of the next video.